Cody, and this is Cody Barnes Films, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop if you are having a black screen. Alright, so here I have my IBM ThinkPad, and I have the charger plugged in, so let's boot it up. Alright, so as you can see, right now I have the black screen. So what I'm going to do is shut it down. Unplug your charger. And then take out your battery. And since your battery is out, your charger is out, hold your power button down for 60 seconds. And obviously nothing will come up since you have no source of power. Okay, so what you do now, put your charger back in, or your battery, and then your charger. And then turn on your laptop. Alright, now as you can see, my monitor is still not booting up. Okay, so unplug my charger, shut it down again. I'm going to take out my hard drive. Alright, so I got my hard drive out right here. You want to do that, just make sure you put it in all the way this time. You're putting it in. Try and boot it up. My monitor is still not coming on, so I'm going to shut it back off. If you followed all of these tips so far, and you still have the black screen, get a screwdriver and open up your RAM card. Right here is my RAM, so I need to open it up. Okay, so as you can see, I have one RAM stick, and if you have two RAM sticks in your laptop, well, if you have two RAM stick slots, like here's one and there's another one here, then let's say if you have one RAM stick for the two slots, take this RAM out, switch it to the other slot, because it could be corrupt. But if you don't have two slots like I only have one, then take out your RAM and put it right back in. Alright, so I got my RAM back in. So, again, try and boot up your laptop. And still, nothing appears. I'm going to shut it down. And as you can see, right here, I have another monitor. So I'm going to plug this in to right there. Every laptop should be made with one of these ports now. So all you gotta do, just plug it in, and then make sure it's tight. So we're gonna boot up the laptop, and see now it's coming on my screen. And ta-da, there we go. Now, with them side by side, have both the screens on there. So this video helped you out, then please subscribe, favorite, like, share, all that. Thank you.